Hello, I'm Greg Erlanger, and welcome to this month's Bay Village Marketing Report. We have a lot of exciting things, actually good news for Bay Village. Okay, so here we are. So as always, the monthly market report here for Bay Village is going to show you in the light green the number of homes that are for sale. And in case your screen doesn't show it, currently you can see the inventory dropped as we head into January, the winter months. And obviously they're going to take off as we enter June as far as inventory. Right now there are 93 homes and condos on the market in Bay Village. This is for January. Now here's the good news for Bay Village that I mentioned. The number of home sales is in the dark green, that's sold, and pendings is the red line. So sold, we had 6 in January, which means they would have, that was part of the pendings, the 11 pendings that happened, the months before. Well, what's really exciting is right here, 23 pending sales for January. So that is actually up 109% from the previous month. So it's a nice trajectory. It's unusual compared to the other surrounding cities. Something to really be encouraged by. Another piece of good news for Bay Village is the average price per square foot is 106. Now that doesn't, that's pretty standard in this Western Cleveland area. But the encouraging part is from a year ago, the same month, you're up 7.1%. Again, this number, price per square foot, don't be scared if your house obviously doesn't fall into that category. A lot of this has to do with short sales and foreclosures. Okay, this chart here is going to show you days on market and the average sold to list price. So days on market for January, 138 days. That's the average market time that it takes for a home to sell here in Bay Village currently. And then you see a pretty large discrepancy here, 82% of ask. Now, how I would explain that most likely is folks writing on short sales and foreclosures and such. So the bank puts it out at one price, and if they write 30% under ask, a lot of times that can still close. So that's a little bit skewed right now. Of course, if you are a buyer looking in Bay Village, that's obviously good news. The Bay Village Living team specializes in foreclosures, short sales, as well as all of Bay Village Living, but can definitely help you navigate through the challenging short sale process. In Bay Village, you're going to see the average on this chart, for sale, the average home is listed for $374,000. Again, obviously Bay Village has some beautiful lakefront properties, and that keeps that number pretty high. The average sold in Bay Village right now is $159,000. And again, that's telling you that the first-time home buyers really appreciate Bay Village and are buying up at a pretty good pace comparatively to the other cities surrounding. So this is, again, sort of a positive piece of information. The luxury home market, they are selling. I know in Naples, Florida, the multi-million-dollar condos are selling. The wealthy actually have the ability to purchase right now. So I think we're going to see a change here in the next couple months as far as Bay Village's average sale price. The final piece of the monthly marketing report is the months of inventory. And right now, what this graph shows you is if Bay Village were to not get one more piece of inventory or one more home on the market, and we had to sell everything that was currently on the market, it would take 15.5 months at the rate that things are selling right now. This number seems high, however, it is very, very standard across the state as well as across the country. So nothing to fret there, but it's still a good piece of information to have. If you have any other questions, contact the Bay Village Living team. If you're looking to buy or sell, we'd love to help you out. Thanks so much.